A player throws a ball upwards with an initial speed of 29.4 meter per second. Now they are asking, the first case they are asking, what is the direction of acceleration during upward motion of the ball? Now, if we throw an object vertically upward direction, always gravitational force is there toward the center of the earth. That means vertically downward direction. So that's why acceleration due to gravity is also vertically downward direction. Second one. What are the velocity and acceleration of the ball at the highest point of its motion? At the highest point, velocity will become 0. Then only it will return to ground. So it will stop at the highest point. It will return to the ground. So that's why here velocity will be 0. But if you take acceleration, so acceleration will be constant throughout its motion, that is equal to g, and it is vertically downward direction. Now coming to third one, choose the x equal to 0 meters and t equal to 0 seconds to be the location and time of the ball at the highest point. Vertically downward direction to be the positive direction of x-axis, and give the signs of position, velocity and acceleration of the ball during its upward and downward motion. Now first I am going to talk about upward motion. If I throw one object vertically upward direction, it will reach highest point and again it will return back. Now in upward journey, now they have given this position is equal to, is nothing but x equal to 0, and vertically downward direction is positive. So while it is going upward direction, suppose when object is at this point, I can say this is equal to minus 20 plus 20 meters, because it is on the positive side. If the object is here, so I can say here the position is plus 10 meters. So here position is positive with respect to the highest point. This is on the right side, so position is positive. Coming to velocity, now downward direction is taken as positive, but while it is going upward direction, velocity will be in upward direction. So downward direction is taken as positive, velocity is in upward direction. That means I can say velocity is negative. Now acceleration due to gravity is always downward direction. So downward direction is taken as positive. So that means acceleration is positive. So in upward journey, position positive, velocity negative, acceleration positive. Coming to downward motion. While the object is coming downward direction from some particular height, if you take any point, this is x equal to 0, if you take any point, okay, here the position will be maybe some 12 meters, so plus 12 meters, because on the it is on the positive side, so plus 12 meters. So position is positive. Coming to velocity, now downward direction it is taken as positive, so velocity is also in downward direction, so that's why velocity is positive. Acceleration due to gravity is always downward direction, so that's why acceleration is also positive. So in downward motion, position is positive, velocity is positive, and acceleration due to gravity is also positive. Now last one, to what height does the ball rise and after how long does the ball return to the player's hand? Now he is asking us to take g value equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now maximum height is equal to u square by 2g. He has given initial velocity equal to 29.4. So 29.4 into 29.4. This is u square by 2g. So 2 into 9.8. 9.8 1 ja, 9.8 3 ja. So here 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja. So here answer is 44.1 meters. The maximum height reached by the object is 44.1 meters. Now he's also asking how long does the ball return to the player's hand? How much time it will take to return to the player's hand? So here the formula is nothing but time of flight. So here time of flight is 2u by g is equal to 2 into initial velocity is 29.4 by 9.8. 9.8 1 ja is 3 ja is equal to 6 seconds. That means once he throw the object, after 6 seconds the object will reach his hands.